single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hey guys, Tony the Soysauceassassin. Welcome to another episode of Cigar Review. And now this one, I kind of procrastinated to now because I think that a lot of the Legion member has already know what this is. So this review is basically kind of talking about how I really feel about this particular cigar in a refreshed way. And so that I can open this box, get the cigars out, and put it in the Christmas raffle because I have not packed that up yet. And I need the cigar to be open, and I haven't opened it yet. So yeah, without drag on too long, this is what it is. Today we're doing the EPC La Historia El Senador cigar. You can see it's brand new, not open yet. So 52 by 5 3/8 by 52. Okay, 5 3/8 by 52. The wrapper is Mexican San Andreas. Binder is Ecuadorian Sumatra. Filler is Nicaraguan. And let's just get you some blue. I want to find price. What happens to the price? So that I can give everybody a price. But the price shouldn't be too far. Let's have to go to a regular website to look for a price. A single steak. How much a single steak? The reason I say that is because I can't find it. It's not listed on their own website. No. All right, so El Senador is roughly $12.90. Roughly $12.90. Okay, just said roughly because they always change markup and stuff. So roughly $12.90. All right, so very simple. Open it up. You get a textured oil, like oil paper, glass paper. You get the logo in here. Okay, this is a sticker over a velvety back. Okay, and then this is printed on the La Historia print on. Then you get a beautiful list of cigar with the blue band. We will take one out. Here we go. Like that. Okay. Again, ribbons. You guys know what I think about ribbons. Unless you print something on it, you're really not doing well. So, oh, my nose, cold. All right, the smell is very fermented, a little bit of sour, kind of plummy, and a little bit of like raisin or something going sour, and maybe a little bit coffee and chocolate smell. More like espresso sour. Okay? All right. Okay. Cold draw. Espresso. Dark chocolate. Little bit of sour sweetness. A little bit of earthiness. Almost like raisin. Okay. Let's get to light this up. I'm kind of I don't know if I want to say nervous or feel kind of weird to review the cigar because we smoked this cigar a lot, and I'm trying to smoke this as if this is my first time and just ignore all my knowledge about the cigar. Like everything that I know about the cigar, I'm gonna ignore. I'm gonna taste it as if it's new. It's kind of weird, but I think that's gonna help some people that never smoke a EP Carrillo or Carrillo cigar. This is kind of boutique-y. Ooh, okay. Start off with a really bold, dark espresso with the darkness of that bitterness. Black pepper. Ooh. Black pepper. A little bit black pepper. I would say roasted nuts, but nothing like almond or peanuts. It's more like a thicker, more like a maybe walnut kind of stuff. That pepper is making tasting the rest of this thing hard because the pepper is prominent right now, very prominent. Tastes like an unfinished cocoa-ish thing going on. That pepper is making my nose running. Oh God. But there's a little bit of cinnamon too. I think there's a little bit of cinnamon, but like it's not very prominent. It's just like very little bit of that cinnamon taste. Short draw gives me a little bit of hints of apple. Hint, very small amount of hints of apple. And we're talking about like fresh apple, but hints of it, not a lot. Okay, so let me smoke through 1/3 and we'll be right back with more notes, hopefully. Okay, 1/3, you know, it's burning quite well. I'm gonna tap the ash off. Now we'll get a little bit amber. So I forgot to mention, this is a box press. So the draw is pretty good for a box press, right? And the flavor goes to a very dark, creamy kind of flavor. You get pepper, you get cream, you get espresso, you get a little bit of leather. There is some little, very tiny little either earthiness or mineral, just a little bit in there behind the scene. And then I also get like a really weird chocolate. That's usually get covered up by easily that espresso after taste and pepper burn. So there's a pepper burn, and it's about a medium right now, medium strength. So not very crazy cigar, but worth $12, right? So now I remove the first band. The first band just basically say La Historia, like that. Red band. There we go. So, you know, it's a good looking cigar. I mean, overall, it's not very out of this world, but it's also not out of this world price. So, you know what? I'll remove the top band too because I know that this cigar is not very long. So me smoking through it really quickly, it's got to be. Come on, There we go. Right. And honestly, I don't know what it means. I guess they're talking about the history. So you get, farmers and people and almost some crests. One says Perez, the other one says Carrillo. And yeah, I mean, I'm not very sure about this, but then the blue is kind of nice because it kind of fits into that blue sky thing. So yeah, pretty good design for what it is. It's a regular production, so I'm not expecting very much of that. So let me smoke through the second third and I'll be right back. All right, second third. So let's talk about the flavor. It's got this initial Retro Hill sour note, and then it goes into espresso note, and then it goes into a very creamy finish, and then it goes back to a sour-ish chocolate. And that's what I got for the second part. And now it's like a medium plus cigar, so you kind of ramp up as you get closer. It's a medium plus cigar now. But, flavor is good. It goes really well if you had a coffee, espresso, something creamy, something to go with this cigar. This cigar is pretty good. So, I mean, like I said, I've smoked this cigar many, many times. In fact, when I went to the EPC VIP lounge, hanging out, I bought another box. And that's why I end up going to share that with using the Christmas raffle to the rest of the Legion. But yeah, this is a good cigar right now. I don't have any problem with it. It doesn't burn funny. It's a very oily wrapper too, and it produces a lot of smoke. Like, I can probably draw with this. No, that's kind of okay. So yeah, let me be right back after the last stir, and then we'll go to the summary. All right, we're back. So what I got last stir, there's a little bit of like an itchiness to it. I don't know, graininess to it on the smoke. Still leathery, creamy. String went down. Not crazy amount, but like it's more balanced, more smooth of a cigar. And a lot of people might disagree with me, but I get a hint of like apple skin or something like that on the last stir as well. So yeah, very good cigar. I like it. I smoke it regularly, and it has its place. I smell it regularly, but it wouldn't be like everyday kind of stuff. But it has its place because somewhat, medium plus strong dark flavor. So you have to kind of pick a day where you want have something heavy on the side to kind of go with it, right? For me, $12 something, $13, no problem. This cigar definitely give you that. Very flavorful. The flavor is consistent. There's no like empty spot, blank spot where you don't taste anything. Every puff is a lot of smoke. Every puff is a lot of flavor. I don't like particularly the graininess that feel to it that lingers. Very likely is that, that cinnamon kind of taste that lingered. But in the beginning, it has that transition slowly working one flavor to another, starts with leather, ends with some apple sweet. It's a really good cigar. So I will heavily recommend this cigar for those people who have not tried it yet. If you tried it, So something that I will continue to buy. So yeah, so that will be it for this particular review. If you like it, make sure to like, share, subscribe, ring the bell, doorbell, whatever bell that is, and comment. If you smoke this one, let me know if you do like it, and I will see you guys the next one. Bye, guys.